My name is Manuel Maqueda, and I am a special programs instructor at Harvard University in two things, applied circular economics and regenerative economics. Lifelong learner, activist who has a track record of innovating in the space of sustainability.
I'm Raquel Santiago. I'm a climate action dancer. I do dance performances talking about climate change, plastic pollution, and other environmental problems.
We're very excited to be teaching at Esalen August 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 2025. And the title of our workshop is Embodying Planetary Regeneration.
It's an opportunity for all of us to come together, to connect with nature, and explore how we relate to nature, how we relate to our bodies, and also how can we heal our traumas. But it's not only personal trauma, it's all about collective trauma, no? How can we open our hearts and face what is happening, to feel vulnerable, and from this open heart something magic happens.
I think it's a perfect workshop to take at this time in history where there's so much chaos, where there's so much turbulence. And what we're going to do is choose rootedness, choose deepening our values and a connection to source to embody the regeneration that we need in our world. That means turning eco-anxiety, grief, all the emotions into active hope and action. At the same time, we're going to dispel a lot of myths and misunderstandings and obsolete beliefs about sustainability, what sustainability is and is not, and talk about some of the newer and more powerful frameworks like circular economics and regenerative economics.